Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Fortnite is one of the most popular games in the world, and you can play it on your PC or laptop with a few simple steps. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Fortnite on your Windows device using the Epic Games launcher. Let's go. To play Fortnite on a PC, you need to install Epic Games Store first, and then download the game from there. This is because Epic Games has exclusive rights to distribute Fortnite on PC, and does not allow other platforms such as Steam or Origin to sell or run the game. By installing Epic Games Store, you can also access other features and benefits, such as cloud saves, achievements, social features, and free games every month. The Epic Games Store is available in the Microsoft Store, and you can download the official app here for free. In the search bar, type Epic Games Store and click from the results to install the needed launcher. Sign into your Microsoft account if prompted. The Epic Games Store app will be downloaded and installed. Alternatively, you can download the Epic Games launcher from their official website. To do this, go to your browser, then type store.epicgames.com/en-us/download, or click the tag above. Here, you will be directed to a screen where you can download Epic Games Launcher by just clicking the button. Wait for it to download. And once done, go to File Explorer to locate the installer. Double-click to run the installer and follow the instructions to install the Epic Games Launcher on your PC or laptop. It will take a while for it to be installed. Once the launcher is installed, open it and sign in with your Epic Games account. If you don't have one, you can create an account for free by clicking on the Sign Up button. After signing in, click on the Store tab in the launcher, and find Fortnite in the list of games, or you can use the search bar to find it faster. The Get button will appear next to Fortnite. Click it and confirm that you want to add it to your library. Once Fortnite is added to your library, click on Install button next to Fortnite. Wait for Fortnite to download and install on your device. The download size may vary depending on your internet speed and updates. Once Fortnite is installed, you can directly launch the app from Epic Games, but since a shortcut is created on your desktop, it will be easier to access Fortnite. To open, double-click the application shortcut. Wait for it to load, and it will take you to the number of games available you can play. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.